Hello YouTube, it's me Yogesh here. Today I am here with my new cell phone. As you all know, I am audiophile. I am more into audio from years. And here I got LG G7. Here are the specs. I hope you can see clearly. The MRP is around 50,000, but current market price is around 25,000 because it is pretty old phone as of now. I I got this phone as my primary concern was good audio output, and LG is the only brand who is dealing with the high-end DACs. Previously I have used STC all over my life, but as you know, STC has discontinued manufacturing phones in India especially. That's why I had no option rather than switching to LG, as the LG is only brand who knows about the audio. The engineering is pretty good in the audio section. Okay, I hope you can see. So MRP is 50,000, but the current price is 25,000. It is pretty good deal. It's LG G7 model. I used it before, but I kept it so that you can have the idea of unboxing too. I don't know why it is blinking, but physically I can't see it is blinking. Okay, it is some kind of sensor, I guess. Only camera is capturing this blinking. Not about. But by open eyes, I can't see any blinking as of now. Anyways, this is the phone. I used it for a week as of now. The build is very good. You can compare it with the iPhone. Forget about the Chinese brands like Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus. I have OnePlus also in my home, but trust me, there is no comparison. This brand can be compared only with Samsung and Apple. This is distance measuring sensor. These are two 16 megapixel cameras. One is the normal main camera, one is wide angle lens. Unfortunately, this comes with the IPS panel, so the fingerprint sensor is mounted at the back. This is Gorilla Glass 5 and these two. Let me show you what else comes with the box. Here is the user manual inside. This has USB Type C. This is the one of the most premium phone. It has USB 3.1. So this Type C cable is not just for show. It actually works pretty fast. Okay. This is fast charging. I guess if it is something around 15 watt, I guess. But phone tops up from 0 to 100 in couple of hours. And this is the most important part of this device, the headphones. These are extra earbuds. One is the medium and one is the small. I have to install small ones because if you have in-ear headphones, the small earbuds are best to have. LG guys claim this cable to be non-breakable. I hope you can see it. It is made of some cotton. There is LG branding on the back. This is not metal, this is plastic only, but the build quality is pretty good. You get volume rocker keys and the mic button. This is to pick up the calls. This is pure rubber, but here this is some extra protection. Uh, they claim it to be unbreakable headphone, but nothing is unbreakable in this world, as you know. But the quality is pretty good. Okay? These headphones are made in Vietnam. I hope you can see it. These are pretty big headphones. Okay, the sound is amazing, I must say. So this is the phone. This is all aluminum metallic side panel. This is glass. This is glass too. I don't know what is blinking over here. Okay, but by open eyes I can't see it. Only camera is capturing it. I don't know what it is. Coming to the settings. Here are the settings. It has got NFC too. It has got wireless charging too. Okay, only premium flagship models have wireless charging. This is the most important quality. Okay, this option is enabled when you plug in the headphones. You have many options like digital filters. Obviously, my choice is bass. 32-bit Quad DAC. This is for extra surround. This is the EQ. One drawback is if you have the stock headphones or any headphones, normal headphones, you can't go above, the volume can't go above 75. See, you need to have high impedance headphones if you want the good volume. It automatically detects you have connected high impedance headphones and it will give you higher output. Right now my display resolution is on middle. It supports 2K display resolution, but to save some battery I set it into the middle. The drawback of this phone is the battery. As you know, it has 300 mAh battery, but I used it for 8 hours as of now. 3 hours screen on time, you can say, but battery is already less than 50%. You can get around 5 hours continuous playback or maybe more. It has battery saving mode too, where they claim that your battery can be maintained. But I don't think it makes sense to have the flagship device and use battery saver. I don't know why LG is lacking in its battery section. I had same issues with my STC2. Generally in flagship models, the battery backup is not so good. I can give you a demo of the headphone, but I can give you a demo of the audio quality. This one has the boombox speaker. Okay, the whole thing vibrates. There is speaker loaded over here, but the engineering behind this is pretty different. You will get the bass if you keep it on the flat floor. You can feel the difference. See the difference. You can feel the vibration over here, okay? This whole thing vibrates. See the difference. The output is like the Bluetooth speaker you have. In such a compact phone, you have pretty good output. LG claims this phone to be loudest in the category. So, talking about the pros, I would say this is, I know it is outdated device if you compare it with the quad camera setups and all that, but for me, it is all bullshit. I need HD recording. It has HD microphone. This is the specialty of LG. Okay, they have the HD audio recording too. These two microphones are capable of recording high resolution audio. Basically, this is made for audio lovers. Okay, this phone, any flagship model from LG is for audio lovers, and I brought this because this has headphone jack. Talking about the camera, the front camera is not so good to be honest. But the rear camera, it has AI camera, okay. It will detect things automatically when your internet is on. I kept it off right now. The rear camera is pretty good. This is a wide angle lens. The front camera is not so impressive. There are not many customization options as such. This has had the LG UI, which is pretty same as stock UI Android one. No customization, no phone recording feature. Everything is like the stock. But the optimization is pretty good. The display is very good. Okay, I must say the display quality is way better than my previous phone. I had HTC One Me before. That was flagship model too. That one had 2K display also, and the audio quality was pretty amazing. but this is worth upgrade. Okay, the cons of this phone are the low resolution cameras setup, low battery backup, and high price point. This is the flagship model. This one has a Snapdragon 845 processor. I have never faced any lags as such, but you can see nearly 3 GB of RAM is consumed all the time. See, 3 GB as RAM is consumed. This is 4 GB version, so you are left with only some space. But I have faced no lags as of now. The internal memory is 64 GB. This is G7 version. If you go for G7 Plus, you will get 128 GB internal. This one has expandable memory card slot too, but it is hybrid. I am using two SIMs, that's why I can't use it. That's all for now. If you have any questions, let me know. I haven't tried this headphone jack with the high resolution headphones, as I don't have any high resolution headphones as of now. I am bass head basically. So for me, these headphones are enough, but I'm gonna buy some high resolution headphones soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can drop your questions below. Subscribe for more. Live loud.